So from here, we're taking our fresh basil. Oh, this is the reason why you don't get the dried stuff. Look at that. Look at the color on that. So, fresh basil right there. All we're going to do, we're going to take probably about, look, let me show you a simple julienne style, okay? Line it up, right? One, line it up, line it up, line it up, right? What you're going to do, fold it over like that. See that? I'm not going to remind you of what that is, but fold it over like that. Fold over again. And that's your little basil pocket. Then from there, that's what they look like. That's what they look like. Look at that. Strips. Then from there, just another simple rough cut. Get this all together. We're going to take this, we're going to pop it into our whipped mashed potatoes. Blow! Switch that back to there. Let that simmer for a quick second. Get our little remainder in there. Then from here, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Look at that. And finally, to top it off, I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of butter. Just kind of rub that in there. Let that sink in.